Welcome to a quick tour of the ACE English online component. When you log in, the first thing you're actually going to see is this visual table of contents. It has all of the units listed, and it also gives you a progress bar of how far you have completed. So if you can see here, it says that I've completed 2 out of 4 sections. If I hit continue, it's automatically going to take me to section 3, where I can see the next lesson. The other way that you can access your material is to, from the home page, click on, instead of continue, you're going to click on the actual picture or the icon up at the top here. So if I click on this, it's going to take me to the table of contents view of it, in which case I can see the ones that I have visited already, so that's the ones with the check marks here, and ones that I have not clicked on yet. So this one has this little dot. One thing you need to be aware of, though, is that as soon as I click on it, it takes a minute, I apologize, my internet's a little slow. As soon as I've clicked on it, even if I accidentally say, oh, not ready for that one, I need to go back to here, and I've only been on that site for a very short period of time, I have not scrolled down and I have not looked at all the content, it's going to actually change it to a check mark right away. So if I go to here, you'll see that now these are all check marks. They say that I've completed it, which in fact I have not, I've just looked at it. So be very careful with the progress bar. It might give you an unclear view of where you actually are. So as you can see here, now I've already completed 5 of 6 topics, and we've only been on this chat for 1 minute and 46 seconds. So this is not realistic. To help with tracking, what I've done is I've created this checklist. So if you click on this here, you have a communication tracking sheet. And what I would recommend is I would use this for any time I have submitted assignments, so I know that that section is completely done. So for example, in the commonly confused words, the very first activity that you had, if I've submitted it and I've gotten my feedback, I'm going to click on it and hit save. That way, when I come in, I can quickly see, okay, wait, yes, I am working on my journal entries this time. So, and you can add as much as you want at a time. You don't have to click one at a time. If you've accidentally clicked more than you were supposed to, you can be like, oh, wait, I need to do some corrections on this journal or something along those lines. So this communication tool here, for your checklist, will give you a much more accurate picture of where you are.